Hi there, so here goes my first tutorial as promised. Come, let's get creepy with this edit. And I definitely am not as flexible as you all think, so you have to shoot two different videos here similar to what you're watching right now. Make sure that the hand is always up in the air as it can disturb your edit. The junction of these two videos are going to be at the level of the waist. Next, upload both these videos on VN app. You can also edit it at CapCut or InShot. Tap on the second video and opt forward option. It's the last one that you see in the trail. You can see that the video jumps a level up. Let's call this a bump clip. Now drag this bump clip exactly on the first clip and delete the excess black shot that came along with the forward option. Tap on the bump clip and choose option mask. You can find a variety of shapes here. For this particular video, I've chosen triangle 2. You're free to make this choice, no hard and fast rule. Now enlarge this shape and fit it at the level of your waist. You can now see that both the videos are connected at the level of the waist, but they're not that clean. To make this transition smoother, you click on the arrowhead at the right top corner as you can see. This will help in increasing the intensity of blending as you pull it up and decrease intensity when you pull it down. For this particular video, you need to pull a very short distance, so don't worry. Even if this video does not turn out that flawless, a non-editor will never know. So there you go, it was not me who was twisted, it was two different videos. So the ones worrying about my organs, they are fine. Do let me know when you recreate this, and that's it for today. See you in my next bit. Until then, eat well and take care of yourself. Oh, and hit the subscribe button.